Hello everyone. Welcome to a tutorial of building an AI COVID-19 product using transfer learning in Pytorch, and the implementation time is under 2 hours. This tutorial is based on a project called COVID-Scan.ai we built last year, which have won second place in Facebook AI Hackathon. We're super excited to share with you the process how we build this. So a little bit background. This project, we want to build a deep learning model where it can automate the process of manual reviewing of chest X-ray. With that in mind, we use a very basic outline of model building step in Pytorch, and we also put the approximate time of implementation. I think it's super useful for the beginner to track the time like this. So the first step is collecting the data. We provide the data source where we combine the data from pneumonia and also COVID-19. And we also provide a link where the user can download it and implement on their own. To pre-process the data, it takes about 10 minutes, and we talk about the basic of the image augmentation. For the building model, it will take the longest time, about 45 minutes. So we talk about the basic of transfer learning and provide a link for the Pytorch documentation talking about it. And we go over the architecture of ResNet 152 and global average pooling layer, which will be the baseline model we use in here. So then we talk about the step of implementing the model in Pytorch, how to load the data into the model, how to define the pre-trained model of ResNet 152, how to save the weight, and how to reload the weight to test on the dataset. With the image model evaluation, we talk about accuracy. And building activation map, we show the user how can define a function to draw very good activation map from the last weight layer of the deep learning model. And at the end, from the trained model, we can develop a web app. We hope the user will go beyond this tutorial to learn more about deep learning using Pytorch and build many other awesome AI products from scratch.